Sensor Graphing with the Plotter, featuring CircuitPython and Mu. Today, we'll be graphing potentiometers. The Circuit Playground Express has all kinds of built-in sensors, but sometimes you'll want to connect a potentiometer with a knob. These are great for smoothly varying values, such as the color levels on an RGB LED, motor speeds, or even the frequency of a music note. You can connect a potentiometer to any of the analog input pads on the Circuit Playground Express, which can then read the varying voltage levels reported by the potentiometer. We've written a sketch in CircuitPython that checks the levels on pad A1, which range from 0 to 65,535, and then converts the raw values into a 0 to 3.3 volt range. Then, our sketch takes those converted voltage values and prints them as tuples, which means we can plot them inside of Mu in real time. Here you can see, as I twist the potentiometer knob, the plotter varies the level from 0 to 3.3 volts. And that is all it takes to graph potentiometer values on the plotter in Mu.